Hi, my name is Abby Key, and for today's video we're going to be doing number 18 from the review. And number 18's equation reads y equals negative x minus 1 squared minus 3. And the original parent function is the quadratic function, which is y equals x squared. Okay, and for the first step, what we're going to do is we're going to factor out the equation because the coefficient on x must be equal to 1. And so we're going to rewrite it like this. And because we're factoring out, that negative is the subtraction is going to become plus instead of subtracting. And so it's going to be plus 1, all right? Which is going to affect the movement of the final graph. So it's important to make sure that it's plus rather than minus. And then finally, minus 3. Alright, for the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to write how this new equation affects the graph and how it's going to look. And so, because the negative is on the inside of the equation, that means it's going to reflect over the y-axis, which is going to affect your x's. And so we're going to write reflects over y-axis. Alright? And for the next thing we're going to write down is because now it's plus 1, that means it's going to go to the left 1. And finally, minus 3 means it's going to go down 3. Alright, for our next step, what we're going to do is we're going to write down how these properties that now the new graph has affects the old coordinates. And the old coordinates are negative 2, 4, negative 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 4. Alright, so we're going to start with the x's. And because it's reflected over the y-axis, that means that our x's are going to be negated. So it's negative x, and then to the left 1, so minus 1. And then our y's are going to be affected by going down 3. Down 3. So y minus 3. And so our new coordinates are 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, and negative 3. And then our y's are 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 2, and 1. And so our new graph is going to look like this. We're going to do point 1, 1, 0, negative 2, negative 1, negative 3, negative 2, negative 2, and then negative 3, positive 1. And so our graph's going to look like this. And that's our new graph. So that is how you do problem number 18 on the review. And so thank you for watching.